The Clarke Jumpstart 1100C is a powerful, compact and portable power source and air compressor suitable for home, garage or roadside application with an impressive list of features. With a starting current of 500 amps with a peak of 1100 amps, the Jumpstart 1100C is capable of jump-starting petrol and diesel engines of up to 3 litres. It is ideal for starting vehicles that have stood for a while and require a shot of power to get them running again. The powerful, maintenance-free internal battery can be charged in vehicle with the supplied 12-volt adapter or with the 230-volt mains charger. A press of the battery test push button will display the battery status at any time. Incorrect polarity or a low battery is indicated by a bright red LED and an audible alarm. The work light also features a flashing function to draw attention in the event of an emergency. Additional outputs include 2 12-volt DC accessory sockets, cigarette lighter type, and a 5-volt USB connector, allowing the unit to power a wide range of portable equipment, such as mobile phones, laptops and tablets. Small enough to fit in the boot of any car, the 1100C can also be useful in an emergency should your vehicle ever break down. It features a bright 5 LED lamp to illuminate your work area, and the 12-volt air compressor function with integrated pressure gauge can inflate flat tyres to the correct pressure up to a maximum of a huge 18 bar or 300 psi. Adapters are included, making the 1100C also ideal for inflating leisure products such as airbeds and dinghies. The Jumpstart 1100C features a gripped carry handle, making it easy to transport, with integrated storage for the booster cables and compressor hose to keep everything neat and tidy. If you ever have the need to start mowers, tractors, cars, motorbikes, or just about anything with a flat or weak 12-volt battery, the Jumpstart 1100C is the product for you. Supplied with a 230-volt mains charger, 12-volt adapter, 5 LED lamp, and a flexible compressor hose with snap-on tyre valve connector, 2 nozzles and needle adapter. It will give you many years of reliable service.